Congratulations on the purchase of your Best Furnishings Sofa Recliner from FineWebStores.com. Proudly made in the USA, your Best Furnishings Sofa Recliner is designed with your comfort in mind. Your sofa recliner will arrive in sturdy packaging that must be carefully removed, and some assembly is needed. First, carefully lower the sofa on its side with the cardboard lid facing up. Using scissors or a knife, carefully cut the packing straps. Next, remove the lid from the packing box. Using a 7/16" socket and ratchet, remove the wooden packing strips from the sofa base. Now you can remove the packing box and any remaining plastic packaging. Lift the sofa base from the packaging. On the underside of the sofa, you will find the matching fabric arm protectors. Remove the protectors and set aside for later. Now you can turn the sofa to the upright position. Locate the sofa seat backs and remove the plastic packaging. Your new recliner sofa has a unique feature which allows you to add extra fiberfill stuffing to the lumbar area of the seat back, allowing you to customize the degree of lumbar support. Fiberfill stuffing can be added or removed to suit your preference. Adding or removing extra material is easy and can be done either during the initial assembly of the recliner sofa or at any time you wish to adjust the degree of lumbar support. With the seat back removed from the base, you will find a fabric flap. To gain access to the stuffing compartment, open the flap, carefully separating the Velcro fastening. Add or remove fiberfill to your preference, then simply close the flap by reattaching the Velcro fastening. Fiberfill stuffing is available at many department stores and retail fabric outlets. The sofa backs attach to the sofa base with interlocking brackets. Slide the brackets together as shown. Firmly pushing the sofa down will cause the brackets to snap together. Next, snap the fabric flap into place, then fold the bottom edge under as shown. The inside edge of the fabric flap and the sofa back fasten with Velcro. Repeat this assembly process for the remaining sofa backs. With your best furnishing sofa recliner assembled, all you have left to do is relax and enjoy the extraordinary comfort. Thank you for shopping FineWebStores.com.